Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to uninstall Steams on computer. Follow these easy steps to uninstall your Steam app. So first of all, you have to click on the show hidden icons, and here if you see Steam is running, then you have to right click on Steam and close Steam from your background. Click on the search icon on your computer, and in this search box type here add or remove, and you have to open add or remove program settings. And here click on the search box and type here Steam, and here you will get your Steam. Click on it and click on uninstall. And here we can see my Steam is uninstalling. It may take some time to uninstall Steam successfully, and you will get this Steam uninstall window. Here select uninstall, and here you can see it's completed. And this is how we can uninstall Steam on your computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.